Hey everybody, my name is Alok Gupta, co-founder, CEO of AutoReel. Today, I'm going to show you how to do AI photo edits and AI virtual staging directly in the AutoReel platform. Now, there's two ways to do this. First is within the context of creating your own video, but second, you can do so regardless of whether you're creating a video. I'll show you both. First, let's create a new project for our listing. Hey everybody, show you virtual staging. So let's pick a room that has furniture for us to stage. Now, it can be an empty room or it can be a furnished room. We handle both scenarios. Let's click on AI Edit on this bedroom, click Analyze. Now remember, you can actually remove furniture, you can declutter furniture, or you can totally replace furniture. Again, works for all scenarios, furnished and unfurnished. So once this analysis finishes up, it's gonna automatically detect it's a bedroom. So toggle the virtual staging at the top over here. It's detected it's a bedroom, and now we can replace the furniture. Remember, if you want to declutter or remove furniture, it's under Photo Edit, and then furniture, but let's go ahead and replace the furniture, and in this case, it's a Nashville home. Let's go to farmhouse, and let's go ahead and edit. In 10-15 seconds, AutoReel has applied farmhouse furniture, but now let's take it up a notch. We actually have a custom edit prompt box here for you to apply those last mile touches. Now remember, 99% of cases, you should just select one of the pre-selected options there, but if you want to take it up a notch and take it that last mile, you can request anything you want. Here, let's tell it to make it extra cozy and apply the edit. Awesome. We've really made it a lot cozier, and this looks a lot warmer and more appealing than the original one that we started out with. Let's go ahead and use that in the video and see what it looks like when we actually make this come to life. Wow, that looks so cool. And again, just done in a few clicks and a few minutes on AutoReel's AI platform. I promise you how you can create AI photo edits and virtually staged images without creating a video. All you need to do is click on images within a project, click on AI edit on any photo or even upload more photos, and then you can apply all the edits you want, download them, and use them anywhere else outside of the platform. No video needed. Quick little trick that people find super useful. That's it when it comes to AI photo edits and virtual staging on AutoReel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.